Yes, can a horse standing, can it?
Are they dancing, Poppy?
Mama.
Yes, Poppy.
Bye, baby horse.
Oh, thank you, Poppy. Is that my horsey? We want the tiny piggy?
Yeah.
Oh, don't know where the tiny piggy is. He'll be here somewhere. Is that the tiny piggy?
You got a tiny piggy in the house?
You got the tiny piggy. What's the piggy say, Poppy? Yes. What does the cow say? No. What does the horsey say? What does the horsey say, Poppy?
Click-clock.
Click-clop, yes. What does the doggy say, Poppy? What does the doggy say? I'm not going to say that one, are you? What does the cat say?
What's the matter, Pops?
Horsey.
He's down there. What are you behind his tail?
You like horses, don't you, Poppy?
What you have to do?
No.
Have the baby horsey.
Oh, there's your horsey.
Oh.
Yay.
He's got to turn it off, he hasn't he? Ah.